Hi, welcome to the second episode of our AI-assisted web development guide for beginners, in which you'll learn how to set up your AI-assisted web development environment. Before we write any code, we need three things ready: versus code setup, project folder, and an AI chat assistant, that is, Claude. Let's get them set up right now. First, let's install Visual Studio Code, which we call Versus Code. For this, we will go to our browser and open code.visualstudio.com. Versus Code will let us manage and edit all the files in our project. Let's download it to our system for free. Let it complete the download. When the download is complete, click to open it. Here it is. Accept the terms first. Let's keep the default folder for installation. Keep this default too. Check the Open with Code option to open individual files directly from the right-click menu. Check this option too to open entire folders in Versus Code. Finally, make sure to check the Create a Desktop icon option for easy access. Then click Next. Finally, click Install. The installation is complete now, so we'll open it. This is the VS Code interface. It is a very advanced software with many useful options. However, to keep this beginner's guide simple, we won't go into much depth and will focus only on what we need. It is nice to have a live preview system while making code changes. Versus Code doesn't include one by default, so let's check out the available extensions. Let's click on this extensions icon. We'll install the Live Server extension to preview our web pages live. Here it is. Click it. Then install it. This will let us preview our web page live as we build. Installation complete, so step 1 is done. Let's close the Live Server tab and open the File Explorer. And let's go to step 2, which is creating our project folder. We'll create a new folder on our desktop and call it My Website. Then, open it in Versus Code. Use the Open Folder button and select the website folder. Here it is. Now we'll create 3 files: index.html, style.css, and script.js. Actually, we can ask AI to give us the files, but for the sake of learning, we are doing it manually now. Next is step 3, which is creating a free Claude account. Head over to claude.ai. Let's sign up for it. We'll use the Google option for quicker registration. Select the email you want to use. Approve the permission request. Then continue. In this step, agree to their terms and acceptable use policy. You can also subscribe to their promotional emails to receive special offers when available. Let's check their pricing plans. As you can see, they have a free plan. The free plan is all we need for this entire series. Select to proceed. This is for Claude Desktop, an application you can install on your PC to use Claude without a web browser. We don't need it for now, so we'll skip this step. These are just a few things for you to know. We'll disable this data sharing option for now. Then click Continue. Enter your name here. Then click Continue. Select your role here. We'll choose Software Engineer. We don't need any of these options, so select I have my own topic. Here we go. This is the interface which we use to add prompts, upload files, and get instant help. Let's do a quick test. We'll write a prompt for a basic website structure. I'm building a one-page website. Create a basic HTML boilerplate for index.html with linked style.css and script.js files. In basic prompts, you just need to make sure you describe exactly what you need, briefly but completely. For example, we specified that we wanted a one-page website. By default, the AI might generate a single HTML file with the CSS and JavaScript embedded in it. While this works, it is not a good practice. As the project grows, a single large file becomes difficult to read, maintain, and manage. So, we are asking it to give us linked CSS and JS files separately. Send it and wait for the results. Let it work. As you can see, the AI generated the code in separate files. These are the same files we created manually at the beginning. Normally, you wouldn't need to create them yourself, as the AI can generate them for you. However, we created them manually for the sake of learning and to better understand the project structure. Here is the index files code. There is only a placeholder heading in it, as it is a structure only for now. We'll copy the code using this copy button, and then paste it into the index.html file. Save it, using Ctrl+S key. As for now, there is no real code in other files but only a placeholder. We don't need to copy them. We'll do it when we'll actually generate the full website code. Let's check the live preview by clicking the Go Live button in the status bar at the bottom right corner of the Versus Code interface. There it is, your first AI-assisted web page, live in the browser. In the next video, we'll build the actual website. That includes the structure, content, and styling, all with AI. Watch it using the link in the description or the video card in the bottom right corner of the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.